In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to equity in QuickBooks Online explained. By the end, you'll understand how to set up equity accounts properly and how to record both owner contributions and owner draws so your books clearly show who put money into the business and who took money out. Let's start with creating your equity accounts inside QuickBooks Online. From your dashboard, go to the left-hand menu and click on Accounting. Then choose Chart of Accounts. This is the master list of every account in your system, and equity is one of the core sections, along with assets, liabilities, income, and expenses. In the Chart of Accounts screen, click the New button. For the account type, choose Equity. This tells QuickBooks that this account will track ownership in the business rather than day-to-day income or expenses. If you're a sole proprietor, you'll want to create a main equity account with a clear name, such as Owner's Equity. Under that, create sub-accounts to separate money going into the business from money coming out. A common setup is an owner's contribution sub-account for money you invest, and an owner's draw sub-account for money you personally take out. Keeping these separate makes it much easier to see your total investment versus what you've withdrawn over time. If you're a partnership, you'll repeat this idea for each partner. For example, you might create separate equity accounts like Partner A Capital and Partner B Capital. Each partner's contributions and draws should go to their own account so you can see each partner's balance individually. Now let's record an owner's contribution. This is when you put money into the business. Click the plus New button at the top of QuickBooks and select Journal Entry. On the first line of the journal entry, choose your owner's contribution account. Enter the amount of the investment in the debit column. On the second line, choose the account where the money is coming from or going to, such as your business checking account, and enter the exact same amount in the credit column. Add a brief memo explaining what this contribution is for, then click Save and Close. Next, we'll record an owner's draw, which is money you take out of the business for personal use. Again, click the plus New button and select Journal Entry. On the first line, choose the owner's draw account and enter the amount in the debit column. On the second line, choose the account where the money is leaving, such as your business checking account, and enter the same amount in the credit column. Add a memo so you or your accountant know why the draw was made, then click Save and Close.